Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you some telephone equipment. This is Floyd's equipment from Texas, and this is a business 5-line with a hold, and it has a 25-pair cable hookup, and Floyd wants to turn this telephone into a single-line telephone. So we're going to have to remove the 25-pair cable connector. He doesn't care about the lights, which is a good thing because that would have worked on a separate power supply when it was connected into its working environment when it was in a business system. So really there would be no sense in running power to it for just a light, a single light. And we want to put a regular line cord on it. This is the initial checkout, so we're going to kind of go through the telephone a little bit. It's in good condition, and we do have the body loose, so I want to show you that real quick. And now what we want to do is show you the inside of this telephone. Now, they had the keypad loose, but looked like they were having problems mounting it. They have some plastic underneath. Here's where our light bulbs are for our buttons, but we're not going to be concerned with that. We have all of our wiring here and a network, and this is the way the bell looked. Usually they had a single bell in the back, unlike having another bell to the side here. It just bounced off this nylon here. So what we want to do is we want to wire this for a single line use. Problem is this telephone does not have a polarity protect circuit in it. So we want Floyd to be able to plug this telephone in, and no matter where he plugs it, it always work properly. So we need to install a polarity protect circuit. We need to go through the hook switch. We need to do some rewiring. We need to make sure our bell's going to work and finish off a bell circuit for a single network. And we want to make sure our keypad is working properly. And we want to try to mount that a little better. They've just got it sitting in here, and it seems like we could probably fix that situation up a little bit. So now what we want to do is we want to go ahead and take a short break. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with a repair and conversion of this telephone, and we're going to run through a little bit about what went on. First, we stabilized the keypad. The keypad was loose. It had the faceplate on, but the keypad underneath was loose. And they had this water bottle cut in half here and shoved up underneath the keypad. So what we had to do is drill some holes and repair some of the brackets, and then now we can throw that away. That's of no use to us, and the keypad has been repaired. We've also went through the transmit, the receive. We repaired the bell circuit. We had to install a polarity protect circuit, so no matter where Floyd plugs this telephone in, it will always work properly. We also had to configure the wiring on this telephone because it's a business phone. So we configured the wiring to work the way we need this telephone to work. And we also installed an LED on line 1. That way when you pick the telephone up, the LED lights, and it just a little extra special effect. So now what we want to do is we want to go ahead and ring the unit and start our final checks. We'll let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time. We'll give you some dial tone. Now we want to dial our numbers out. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. So if you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. So we know that this telephone is ringing in on a ring cycle. It's dialing out. Our LED is working when you take the phone off the hook. Our receive and transmit is working. Now what we can do is I have a button on the switch box, and if I press that, that gives us a line out and totally takes the analyzer out of the situation, and we'll call a time and temp number. Now, this time and temp number has been having a problem with their equipment. If you hear a hum, that'll be on their end. Has nothing to do with us and with what we're doing. So we'll go ahead and call the time and temp number now. Give you some dial tone.
Good afternoon. Today is Tuesday, May 13th. The time is 4:55. Current temperature 63 degrees. Weatherphone is another community service of First Cloverleaf Bank. Mostly cloudy tonight, 40% chance of a shower, lows around 50. Occasional showers Wednesday, a high in the upper 50s.
Okay. We can call one other number. We can call my number, and it'll be busy. We'll give you some dial tone. Now that we know that this telephone has been repaired and converted, we can return it to Floyd, and he can enjoy this telephone now. One last thing that we did not mention was we installed a black modular line cord so that this telephone could be plugged into any modern day jack. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.